them. A mud pit, like a speed run, I guess.
The ends are too high.
They are. That's what he was saying. We need to push some on the side. I got a Honda. It ain't gonna do nothing. Guys, we are back. We are out here riding Muddy Ducks ATV, Ginger Avenger ATV, Mr. Philip Kirksey, and this is just one of the many things that they are doing at Cape Fear. They have pumped it out, and you can see the old water line. Used to be a little higher than that, actually. And so this is from us coming down through here tearing it up, but this is going to be the future mud race pit. So you got a Honda, it's not for you. Guys, stay tuned. More videos coming. All right, guys, we are here, and it is the initial test of this snorkel setup. We're gonna see what it does. Got the Ginger Avenger and his Ranger. He said these waders leaking. Boy, he wasn't kidding. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'd say it's got a leak, guys. So it's,
What you say, bro?
I'm gonna tear the what?
What you say?
Oh, it's got a hell of a leak. I gotta tear the air box. I tear the whole snorkel out, take the air box out and redo it. So guys, anybody in Southeast North Carolina wants the snorkel and the whip, the clear pipe and the riser, holler at me. It's for sale.